In 2006, she ran for the leadership of the Liberal Party and was the first immigrant woman to so do. She's now the Member of Parliament for Vancouver Centre and the Liberal Party of Canada's health critic. Hedy Fry was born in Trinidad and Tobago. She earned a degree in English literature at Oxford University, went on to study medicine in Dublin, Ireland, and completed her degree with honours at the Royal College of Surgeons. She immigrated to Canada in 1970 and practiced family medicine at St. Paul's Hospital in the West End of Vancouver for 2 decades. Within the health and medical sector, Dr. Fry was hailed as a powerful and successful negotiator. She was the convener of a groundbreaking agreement that included Canada's first retirement plan for doctors and led the Canadian Medical Association to recognize self-governance of Aboriginals as crucial determinants of Aboriginal health. She was also the spokesperson for the CMA on issues of health financing and reforms, frequently speaking to U.S. audiences about Medicare. Hedy Fry is most passionate about human rights, social justice, and equality. She has been an advocate on health care, poverty alleviation, housing the homeless, education, and women's issues, and has acted and spoken against racism, xenophobia, religious intolerance, exclusion, and hate. She has represented Canada as head of delegations at many high-profile multilateral conventions of the United Nations, most notably Canada's 4th report to the UN Commission on Human Rights, UN's Beijing Plus 2000, and the World Conference Against Racism in Durban. Recently, she was appointed Special Representative on Gender Issues of the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe Parliamentary Assembly. She takes great inspiration from her paternal grandmother, late father, and the late President Nelson Mandela. She advises the youth, quote, "Become involved in the world around you. The world you live in will depend on what you put into it. Dare to speak out. Dare to care. Dare to risk for your principles." Unquote. You may not know this. She loves dancing and tweeting, and at 16 wanted to become a nun. And in 2012, in Vancouver's House of Commons, she paid homage to Trinidad and Tobago on its 50th anniversary of independence. Trini to the bone indeed. Tonight, we honor the Honorable Dr. Hedy Fry with the Luminary Award.